B1. Where we at? Where we at? The big this did you all know that McDonald's, when you worked at McDonald's, you worked for a clown named Ronald? No. What did the McDonald's clown get you to eat? A cheeseburger and nuggets, huh? Ah, going for a motorcycle ride and stopping at the clown's place. See Ronnie. You know that back in the 1980s, the White House and McDonald's both had something in common. They were both ran by a clown named Ronald. Only kidding. I like Reagan. You in there?
What?
Are you in there?
No.
That's the key. Put it in there. You know how to put it in neutral? You know how to remember how to put it in neutral? Okay, lift it up once. Okay, there you go. Now you can turn the button on. Good job. Give it a little gas. Good job. All right.
Take this trip with me. Keep your eyes wide and keep me company. If you tag along, you just might see what it is I'm trying to reach. I'm still tied to my hopes and my dreams. Adventure I will always seek. The child I will always be. So won't you come take this trip with me?
Big oak tree at Big Oak Road.
Through the winding road, further than we've gone before.
Yeah.
Past the turn back, now signpost, and see just how far this road goes. See just how far this road goes. Just can't wait for all we're gonna do. So let's go make a memory or two. Think of what's ahead and all that's new. This journey was made for me and you. Through the winding roads, further than we've gone before. Past the turn back, now signpost. See just how far this road goes. 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 Come take this trip with me. Keep your eyes wide and keep me.
So it's kind of fun, huh? Yeah.
If you tag along, you just might see what it is I'm trying